Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to make falafel. Before we start, if this is your first visit to my channel, please subscribe. Thanks and let's cooking. Okay, what we have here is a half kilo of garbanzo bean or chickpeas covered with enough cold water, and we're gonna let them soak for at least 12 hours. So the next day they're gonna look something like this. First, let's see the ingredients. We have half cup of green parsley, half cup of green coriander, small onion, 3 garlic cloves, 1 tablespoon cumin powder, 1 tablespoon of ground coriander, and half a tablespoon of salt. And we have a half tablespoon sodium bicarbonate and 1 teaspoon baking powder. Let's see how to prepare the falafel. Now we're gonna crush the chickpeas in the food processor together with the onion, garlic, parsley and fresh coriander, and some water if needed. Mix it until you get a thick texture. We don't want to mix it too much. After we finish, look how the texture look like. So now we're gonna add the cumin and the dry coriander and salt. Up until this moment you can keep this mixture in the fridge to make it another day. But if you wanna do it today, we have to add the sodium bicarbonate and the baking powder. These two ingredients, the sodium bicarbonate with the baking powder, make the falafel crispy from outside and fried from inside. After we add the sodium bicarbonate and the baking powder, we're gonna leave it for 15 minutes before we fried it. After 15 minutes, we're gonna make small balls from the falafel. Of course, there is like a spoon, a special spoon for making a falafel, but I'm going to do it with my hands. Don't press too much on the ball. For fryer, we're gonna use an oil, sunflower oil or corn oil, in a big fryer, and plenty of oil over medium-high heat. So now we're gonna fry the falafel in 350 degrees oil, And we're gonna always check the heat. If it's too much, we're gonna have to turn it down a little bit so the falafel will be well done from inside. Don't go away, I'm not finished yet. I'm gonna show you how to make a sandwich from falafel. Today I'm gonna use this kind of bread. We call it shrak. It's a very thin bread. We put the falafel on it. Then we're gonna put some pickles, tomato, lettuce, and some tahini sauce. If you don't know how to make tahini sauce, I will leave you the link in the description down below. Then we're gonna roll it like you see in the video. This is all for today, my friends, but before we go, I'm gonna tell you the secrets of this recipe. Adding the sodium bicarbonate and the baking powder give the falafel a very good taste. In the end, thank you for being with us and bon appetit. Bon appetit.